Man, that thing activates early.
County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois, Ogle County in north central Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fulton to near Tampico to Ogle, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oregon, Polo, Baileyville, Amboy, Lindenwood, Grand Detour, West Brooklyn, Ashton, Kings, Chana, Franklin Grove, Hillcrest, Harmon, Nakusa, Woodland Shores, Stewart, Stillman Valley, Byron, Leaf River, Nelson, Helena, Compton, Mount Morris, Usam, and Davis Junction. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, Bureau County in north central Illinois, east central Clinton County and east central Iowa until 8:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from East Clinton to Port.
I don't know if you heard that tone out or not, but